Hi, it's Cameron Swayler again, and I'm showing you how to fix your chain.
If it's come off.
So, what you're gonna do is this right here, you're gonna pull down, you're gonna grab the chain, you're gonna pull it forward, and then just put it on. And then you wanna make sure it's on pedal. And I will also show you how to fix your helmet. So, most helmets have this on the back. You can spin it and it loosens, or you can spin it and it tightens. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your helmet on, you're gonna put this on, and then you're gonna see if this is tight enough or not. And if your jaw can touch it when your mouth is open, it's fine. So it's fine. And now you're gonna tighten this towards, so you can move the helmet just a little, but not so tight. So it's like this. And then once you do that, you're fine. And then you can go out and ride your bike. But really, wear your helmet so you don't, if you get hurt, something won't happen. Something bad won't happen.